Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, March 8th. All right, what an epic day again. The buyers couldn't overcome it. They tried. They brought it right back up again. But the 100 was right in the way. There was no chance of that taking place. So right now we closed right on the trend line. We are about 22 cents away from breaking this trend line. And if we break that trend line tomorrow, then look for us to get lower. 9 times out of 10, usually get a gap up in the morning when we're starting to get into these downtrends. And the reason for that, as you could see on your 15-minute chart, you're definitely oversold. And you have that support coming into place right here, the 200 day, and also this trend line. But notice we're making a new low, and we have this box, this trend line box, all set up to the downside. So you're pretty much getting aggressive here, and so this will probably be our top tomorrow morning, and then we're going to start selling off again. So it's just a small bounce in the morning. First target's going to be 194.37 on this reversal. Once this line breaks, which is your uptrend line on the daily, but you can see a relative strength index is at 29. It's going to need a little bit of bounce. So when we get up into this area tomorrow, that's going to be your cue to short it again, because we are in a broken pattern again, and that is lovely to see. Absolutely lovely. So go to a 30-minute here. You can see the supports coming into place, and your lower Bollinger Band and your 50 is on this one. You get a little kick up here on your stochastics. RSI's at 32. Get down to the daily again, and you can see we're at that trend line. So typically what you're going to get, like I was saying, is a little bounce in the morning, and that'll give you another opportunity to go for the gold. If you're trading these or following me on my trades on WhatsApp, you're doing very well. We have a couple over 300, one or two over 300%, 234%, 185%. It's been a great few days. 130%, 110%, 125%, and so on and so forth. We have no losers, not one loser since Friday. So everything. I don't think there's anything under 100%. Only one is under 100% right now, and that's 62% up. So other than that, everything is right on track. So if you want to follow me on my trades. Click on the link here on this video and follow me for you know a month. Just try us out for a month, see what happens. We have some great technical charts that set some beautiful alerts for me, and that way I announce those trades prior to me getting into them. So you follow me on WhatsApp and you will see some pretty cool trades. All right, so let's take a look at MUR. This is another one here. This is a big one for us so far. It's doing really well. We took this position. We started this position here, and we played to the downside so far. And the pullback has been absolutely beautiful today. Called the exit today about 50% or more of my position for 185%, which is pretty good. Um, and we do have more to go to the downside, but it's better to take some off the table because that's fun to do, because you're locking your profits in. Another one that's working out really well here at one point today was 134%, 234% up on these puts, and then it bounced back up again and was able to get into another position and scalp 76% after that. So that was a very good one also, and it's definitely looking to have its second day come down. We have this beautiful gap right here. We have the RSI starting to come down. Your STO is starting to come down. Also, IBM is set for a nice reset to the downside. It's going to follow the market, of course. So follow the market. If this gaps up tomorrow, creates the triple top, or hits this trend line tomorrow, that should be your cue to drive it down again, because it's a very lucrative options trader. Everything I do is with options. So SPYs also has produced about 140%. Also, COP is the last one that I'm just going to show you here. The others I'm not going to really get into. COP, we called this one the other day, yesterday I believe, and it went up today. I think we got 313% on this one so far. We did get our gap. That was our target, so we sold half the position there. but about 315% somewhere in that area. That one was taken out. So if you really like this stuff, then our chart scans are pulling this stuff out that are absolutely ready and perfect. To just wait for market conditions before to make the move. So please make sure that you join me. Follow me if you trade options on my trades, and you will get the alerts all day long. All right, you won't have to do anything. We will do all the work for you. Have yourself a fantastic night.